Hi there. So this is Saurabh Mukherjee. So today's tutorial is on 5 key factors which you should consider when you're looking to investing in cryptocurrencies. So let me share my slides with you just now. There it is. So safe harbor. So you've gone through this. I won't repeat this again. Let's deep dive into the 5 key factors. First, leadership. So you should look at who are the people, or what's the team, or what's the company which is behind the cryptocurrency. So are they credible? Do they have proven track records of success? Are they really achieve something in their lives in fintech or in the technology world? So that's crucial. And if they are credible people, then yes, that's one check done. Point number 2 is the followers that they have. So are they really genuine followers who have genuine interest in their cryptocurrencies? Do run some read up on community channels like Reddit, YouTube channels, and forums, and look at the reviews or feedback that the cryptocurrency people who have invested in the cryptocurrency have been giving. What are the chatter that's happening in those community channels and forums? Try and understand how this cryptocurrency stacks up against all the other altcoins. So if you know, all coins are all cryptocurrencies except Bitcoin. So how do they stack up? Are they really relevant? What kind of technology that they're working on? Every token or every cryptocurrency has to come up with a white paper. So read up the white paper, see what they say, what they're talking about for the future. What's the category likes? What are the other altcoins doing in that same category? What are their processes? Do they really match up? Look at the future roadmap. What are they talking about? What are their long-term plans? Are they really discussing their long-term plans in the credible forums or the community channels, feedback sessions? Are they really responding to critical feedback? Look at all of that. Point number 3, look at the technology. So what kind of technology you're talking about? How does that work in the competitive world of cryptocurrency in their particular category? Is their technology innovative? Is it going to disrupt something? Is there something for everyone there? Is it something for the developers? Can the developers integrate the technology, the API with a third-party apps? How is it for the end users, the user friendliness, the UI? How is it really adding value to the end users? Is it really offering some kind of purpose? Is there any profitability for these kinds of for this particular cryptocurrency? Look at all of that. Also look at the timelines. Are they really talking about timelines given split by, let's say, years, and what are they going to achieve? Are they achievable? Are they also talking about, in terms of technologies, for technology, we're talking about updates? How are they planning to do their updates? When are they doing the updates, major updates? Look at all these factors. Look at like I said, the white paper. Read of the white paper. Do they really have plans, a 5-year plan or a 10-year plan? Is there a roadmap? Are there objectives? Are they meeting the objectives until now? Are they really long-term winners for an investor like you? Is the value really going to go up? And is it going to be profitable for you? Look at all of that. Again, look at the team, their professionalism, their commitment, what they're talking about in the future. What are they going to do? Find out about the promises that they are doing. Are they really realistic promises? If they are looking at offering limited coins in circulation, look at the limit expected to reach that the limited coins. So look at all of that. Look at if there are any other red flags. Are they really making even spelling mistakes in the white paper. Look at all of that so that you can make a very well-informed well-informed decision before you actually go ahead and invest in the cryptocurrency. And the last, look at the fundamentals, the stats, the finances. Is it really safe or prudent to invest in that cryptocurrency? Is in over the past whatever period has been in existence, has the value been volatile? How does it stack up as with respect to the market forces? So let's say is if the market crashes, is the value of the cryptocurrency also crashing at the same rate? So is it resilient to the market forces? So what are the, look at the highs, the all-time highs and the all-time low values. Is it going to breach the all-time high value, or is it going to really come down drastically and go below the all-time low value? Look at all of that. Look at the reputation. What are people talking about in the market about a cryptocurrency? What are the investors talking about about a cryptocurrency in the market? Do some research on its reputation. Is it a scam, or is there any reviews on it which talks about it being a Ponzi scheme or a MLM or multi-level marketing scheme and all of that? So if all these factors fall in place, then probably it is a good option for you, or good, it is good for you to go ahead and put in your money into that cryptocurrency. So those are the 5 key elements that I wanted to share with you that you should consider before you look at investing in cryptocurrencies. So that's it, guys. So as you know, my name is Saurabh Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with over 20 years of experience internationally. You would find my LinkedIn URL linked, and you could go ahead and connect with me on LinkedIn. You could even get a free copy of this tutorial if you put down your email address and name and subscribe to my newsletter. I consult clients, companies, startups on business, marketing, and technology for the challenges that the companies face. If you want me to be a consultant for you, engage me, please check yes on the third field of the form, and I will reach out to you through email, and we can have a conference call. So that's it, guys. Please like my channel. Please share my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I shall be back very soon with something really, really new. So until then, goodbye and take care of yourselves. Thank you very much.